no one here.
I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that scar I love to touch. I know you love to relax at the small of my back, swim through my fingers, get lost.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haejin and this is my new baby, Tubi. And today we have this egg bread dish that I made with egg, parsley, and mayonnaise. So I'm pretty hungry, so we're just gonna eat first. It's February right now and it's not gonna be near spring, and I went to a botanical garden and I just expected nothing to be alive, but there were winter blooming flowers, which made me so happy and inspired. Yeah, so today I'll draw about just how I felt really inspired, just walking around and appreciating nature. It's kind of abstract, but Tubi will help us. That's all I need to say. So that egg was not that good. I think the mayonnaise was it was really chewy and it got stuck on my teeth. Gross. I have clear image of what I want to draw, so I am just gonna go ahead and start painting.
Kiss me forever till my lips bow together. Pull me so close to you, devour my sweater. Touch me so softly and caress me so gentle. Love city, baby, let me be your adventure. Virgen Maria, when around you naked, you think you a goodie bitch.
So I also saw a lot of ducks in the botanical garden, and I am imagining a duck boat. So this tree is called witch hazel, and they bloom in the wintertime and they smell amazing. So I'm drawing the witch hazel tree and their little flowers.
We're up to the sunset. You wanna stop me up, and sometimes I just need you to try and take it easy. You're not even mine. Quiero que te comportes bien. Nada de esto te va a salir bien. Síguele, síguele, quiero ver por dónde vas. Quiero ver si hay muchas cosas por allá. Angel baby, take me with you.
And this is a girl, sort of in like the witch hazel color palette.
More than drug dose, baby, you're all toxic now. Driving through the city past 69, I feel alive.
Also, I saw this flower called snowdrops, and they also bloom in the wintertime or early spring. And this girl will have a cool snowdrop shoes and pants.
He drove past me, going faster, leaving me to tear apart. Tears fall slowly, I am lonely, baby. You are bad tonight.
I didn't like how this tree turned out, so I'm just gonna erase everything and just color on top of it. It's not too hard to fix things. I still want to have like the same structure, just gonna make it in full bloom. For the background, I want to have like winter light sunset color and sort of like cloudy, just like calm sky vibes. And on the background, there's just little trees that I'm just gonna draw like little branches. tired. But overall, it is very yellow. It's happy. It's new. It's exciting. It's fun. And I am happy. I think it is a good painting. I think it is a good piece of work. And Tubi agrees too. So I think next week we might have a guest, we might not have a guest, but it's gonna be, either ways, it's gonna be really good. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you next week.